lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I am going to show you how I made these black and blue resin coasters with white swirl. So, without further ado, let's get to it. Before we begin, I just would like to take a moment and say a big thank you to all the new people who have subscribed to my channel. Thank you and welcome. So here you can see me showing all the colors that I'm going to be using in today's episode. And I am dividing my resin that I premix off camera. And I have also gold leaf here that I mix with a little bit of resin. So I'm having three colors: white and black and blue. And my resin is Art Pro resin from Resin Pro company. In my videos, I do like to show how I actually premix my colors, because I think if there are some people who are just starting out and working with resin, it's good for them to see, and they can just see examples on how other people are doing it. And for example, here I am mixing mica powder and pigment paste together, and it's basically so that the color blue that I'm after has a little bit of shimmer in it. Right, last preparations to put my transparent in a cup, because it's easier to pour that way, and I am all ready to pour the coasters. And basically these coasters have been inspired from the ones that I made last time. I will link the video at the end of this episode. So I am starting with black color, then I'm gonna put down blue, then transparent, middle gold, wait for about 5-10 minutes, it depends on the resin and how it looks, and I'm gonna make in the end the swirl. And of course, in between, sometimes I'm using torch just to pop some bubbles. So basically, this is my recipe for these coasters. I am going to put some music in background and let you enjoy watching this pour, and see you in a bit. And yes, here is quite bit sped up, 10 minutes on me waiting that the resin moves. And you can see that it's slowly going to the middle. And once it's the way how I like it, right here, I am making the white swirl. I'm trying to do my best to be accurate here, but it's not always possible. And after that's done, I cover my creations with just a cardboard box, so no fluff and little dust particles come inside and sit on my coasters and wait that they cure. So here we have 24 hours later and they are nice and cured, and it's time to unmold them. And I'm hoping for nice result on back. And yes, here we have kind of what I was hoping for. But you never know with these things because, as we know, resin has the mind on its own. But I do like how the black stayed on the edge and the blue came out nice as well. And the swirl is looking good too. Of course, as I mentioned before, you never know how they're gonna come out. And look at this, it looks really funky. So the resin is very unpredictable, and that's the one fun part to be working with resin. And this came out lovely as well. So they are all different, but I would say uniquely perfect. So I'm just gonna paint the edges, apply the top coats, and here you can see the end result. So, if you found this video useful and entertaining, please let me know by leaving a comment down below. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Keep creating. Until next time. Bye.